Good day and welcome again to another 8downloads.com software preview, and this is Chris. And today we are going to discuss furthermore about Notepad++. So right now I'm going to run my Notepad++, and this time we will open a text file, a random text file. And what are we going to discuss today? We are going to discuss today about probably how to change the Unicode of a file. So let's say I have a text file here. Let's try to have one. Okay, so let's say this one. So right now, if I go to the encoding of this file, you will see that this is encoded in an ANSI format. Now we can go ahead and select UTF. So UTF-8, or I can have Big Endian, and then I'll just save the file as modified. So right now, if you will see, the encoding is on Big Endian, and when I open the other one, let's open the last one. You will see that the encoding was on ANSI. So the encoding here is ANSI, and on the other one is UCS2 Big Endian. So there. So that's how you can change the encoding of the file. So this is Chris again saying have a great day to all, and thanks for viewing the 8downloads.com video.